Good morning, beautiful people of Faith Brill TV. I greet you all. Now, this is morning time, and today is Friday. The kids, they are on holiday. My wife has gone to work, and I'm about to go to work. But before I go to work, I need to prepare food for my kids to eat. I need to make breakfast for them. When they wake up, what they will eat. And then I need to leave food for them outside for in the afternoon and their snacks. So I want to take you along as I'm making my breakfast for my kids to eat as they wake up. So stay tuned. This is my tomato. This is the paprika. This is onions, and this is garlic. This is my white pepper, my curry powder, and this is black pepper. And I'll be using this Indomie spice. This is my Indomie spice, the ones that we always get inside the Indomie. It's what I'll be using the Maggi to put on my egg. I have break my egg. The egg is in the bucket. I break six eggs. This is my oil. I put curry. Now I need to toast the bread. You can buy this one from Lidl. Yeah, Lidl. I always got this one there. Now it's time to toast it in my toasting machine. My children bread is ready. Now I'm going to work. See you guys later. Bye bye. This is how it comes out.